Villa's been proud to help families that have been impacted by the Altadena wildfires, to help people get back on their feet and rebuild the community with a very high quality, long-lasting home that's going to be a place that they call home for the rest of their lives. By utilizing offsite construction, you're able to get the feel of a custom home, but built in a smarter, more cost-efficient way. We combine beautiful design, light-filled spaces, and durable materials for a very modern and efficient way of living. We'll handle the design, permitting, and installation to deliver a code-compliant, permanent home. Families can trust us because we've built hundreds of homes, we work with some of the largest manufacturers of homes across the country, and we do everything we can to get your finely tuned estimate up front so you can know what to expect from a cost perspective when working with Villa. It's a place that you're going to be very happy to call home.